Cool. Looks like someone is listening to my spiel. Alright, now let's get into learning more about what forward chaining entails. As I'm sure you remember, chaining entails linking each of those individual behaviors together sequentially to complete a complex behavior. For forward chaining, each step is taught one at a time. I will show you how this would work on a task analysis. Let's use this task analysis for warming up food in a microwave. These here are the steps you would usually take to warm up food in a microwave. Now what we would do during forward chaining is first identify which of these steps the learner can already perform on their own. In this example, we see that the learner is only able to perform the first step, which is putting the food item onto a plate. This is indicated by the green plus sign. Since the others are incorrect, indicated by the red minuses, that means that the remaining steps need to be taught. Here, what we will do is now target the second step, opening the microwave door, to teach. When teaching, you will always start with the first step and make your way down the list of steps. You first allow the learner to independently complete each of the steps that they already know how to do. This means that after you provide the instruction to warm up your food, you allow the learner to put the food onto the plate with no help. Now you can assess to see how much help the individual will need to complete the second step. The help we provide are called prompts. Prompts are extra help that are provided to make the learner more likely to engage in the correct response. If you look up here, you will see the prompt hierarchy. Here is the order in which prompts should be delivered. They are also listed in order of least to most intrusiveness. If the learner is unable to perform independently, then we would provide a verbal prompt. This would involve verbally telling them what the next step would be. In this case, we would tell them to open the door. If this fails, then we would go on to a model prompt. Here the teacher will show the learner what they need to be doing. In this case, the teacher will close the microwave door for the learner, then put the door as it was before. If this doesn't work, then the teacher will go into a full physical prompt. This is where the teacher will hand over hand guide the learner to engage in the behavior. In this case, the teacher will hold the learner's hand and guide them to open the microwave door. Remember, we are teaching one step at a time for forward chaining. With that in mind, for the remaining steps of the chain, the teacher will use the most intrusive prompt level, the full physical prompt, to have the learner complete the remaining tasks. So, as soon as the teacher prompts the learner to complete the target step, they will use a full physical prompt to have the learner put the plate with food inside the microwave, then close the microwave door, then set the timer, and so on. After they complete the last step, the chain of behaviors is complete. Now let's see if you have been learning along the way and I haven't bored you out of the room yet.